Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's tutorial, I will be showing you guys how you can actually protect your videos which you have on YouTube. If you own a YouTube channel, or you are a content creator, or you are planning of opening a YouTube channel, this tutorial is strictly for you. Don't miss out on this. On this tutorial, I will show you guys how you can strike anybody that use your content on their own channel, and also how you can protect your own content from being used by anybody on YouTube. So if this is your first time seeing my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, turn your notification icon so you get notified when I drop a new video. On this channel, I only drop videos on how you can make money online and how you can be creative using just your smartphone. Wow, pretty cool and easy, right? So the only favor I will need from you guys, like this video, turn on your notification icon, drop a comment in the comment section of this video. So guys, without wasting much of your time, we're going to go on a commercial break, and when we come back, we continue from where we stop.
Welcome to Easy Cash Out. Right on this channel, we teach you guys how to make money online and how to be creative using just your smartphone. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when we drop a new video.
So welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are back from the commercial break. So right now we're going to go straight into the video. All you need for you to do this is either your smartphone or your system. If you are using a smartphone, you need to convert your phone browser to a system version, to a desktop version. If you don't know how to do that, I will drop the link in the description of this video. So once you check there, you're going to see the link on how you can convert your browser to a desktop version. So you locate your Chrome browser, click on your Chrome browser, and it's going to open like this. So once your Chrome browser opens up, okay, at the top side you tap the youtube.com. okay, as you can see, YouTube is there already, but you have to tap youtube.com if you have not. Okay, let me just type it. You tap youtube.com and you search for youtube.com. Okay, as you can see, it takes you straight to this YouTube channel. Now the thing is this: if you have not signed in before on this YouTube, on this platform, you'll be required to sign in. Now for you to sign in, the top right hand side there will be an icon, a circle icon there. You tap on it. So right now, once you tap on it, if you have not signed in, it will require you to input your Gmail and your password. Then you tap on YouTube Studio, the first one, second one, and the third one. The YouTube Studio is what you tap on. So as you can see right now, it's loading. Allow it to load. So as you can see right now, right on this channel, it has opened. So what you want to do here is to protect your content, and now you can search if someone has actually used your content. So the next thing you want to do here is to click on copyright. There is an icon which shows C in a cycle. That cycle simply means copyright. The first one is the dashboard, the second one is your content, the third one is your playlist, and the fourth one is analysis, then the fifth one is comment, then the sixth one is for captions. Now you go to the seventh one before monetization. The seventh one here is for your icon. You tap on your icon and it's going to open like this. So right now, as you can see right here, it says nothing to see yet. You haven't submitted any copyright takedown request. That simply means no one has used my content, so I don't need to apply for any removal. But if someone has actually used your content, right here you can take down that video from that person's channel. And mind you, why doing this, it may affect the person's channel. Well, it's none of your business. After all, you didn't ask the person to make use of your content without your permission. So if you want to search If you want to search for your video now to see if someone is using your content, it's pretty easy. We have video lists here. You tap on the video lists and allow it to load. So right now, as you can see, what it says, no matching videos yet. So this simply means nobody has used my own personal videos. If someone ever used my video, this is where I will search and I will get everything I need to know. I need to know. No matching video. That simply means no one has made use of my content. As you can see right here, my contents are free. No one is making use of it. But if someone should make use of it, it's going to indicate right here, and I can still take down the video from here without taking permission from the person. I can take down my content right from here. So guys, this is just it for now. If this is your first time seeing my channel, don't forget to like this video, turn your notification icon so you get notified on whenever I upload a brand new video. Let's keep going with easy cash outs, and of course the plan is to make money online, and content creating is one thing that brings money online.